I just spent 2 hours searching for Home Depot promo codes, and I've successfully managed to find possibly the best coupon codes for Home Depot, and I'm going to show you in this video exactly how to go and get them. So let's get into the tutorial. Make sure you follow all of the instructions. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the best Home Depot promo codes. This is a simple tutorial, guys. You need to use your mobile. So you can see I'm using my iPhone. So just have your mobile phone and go to this website, www.speedycoupons.com. So just go to this website, guys, on your mobile phone, Speedy Coupons. Now, they have tons of different pages on here. As you can see, they have game codes, coupon codes, and promo codes for pretty much everything. So go to the search bar and type in Home Depot. And you're looking for this page, guys, the Home Depot coupons and deals. So just navigate your way to this page on Speedy Coupons. Scroll down. Now, as you can see, there are a couple of different promo codes for Home Depot that you can choose. You can get a $100 promo code. You can get a 50% off your next order code. And these coupons are limited in number, guys. So I'm not going to run through the entire process because I don't need any more promo codes, but I'm going to talk you through it regardless. So just click on Show Coupon. And in this case, this is a Home Depot promo code for $100, and you can see you need to unlock your promo code. Of course, this promo code is super valuable, what with it being worth $100. So you need to unlock your code. This prevents people from stealing all of the codes from Speedy Coupons. So click on Unlock Code. Now, like I said, I'm not going to do it. I want to save these codes for you, but when this gets to 100%, you're going to see a new screen, and it'll tell you how to unlock your Home Depot code. It's super easy. It does take about 5 minutes, which I know is a little bit annoying, but yeah, it's basically a verification that you're not a robot. And once you've done that, guys, your code will be fully revealed. So just complete a couple of these like simple tasks, verify yourself, grab your code, and redeem it on the Home Depot website in the basket or at checkout. And yeah, one thing I will say is make sure you add $100 worth of product for this code to work. But yeah, just go ahead, choose your code. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Smash the like button. Head on over to speedycoupons.com and enjoy, guys.